finally I am able to board it. 今めっちゃ荷物が多くて文句言ってる人とかいたんですけども、ライアンエアは激安航空なんで、もうその場で荷物が多いともうその場でもめっちゃお金が取られるので注意してください。もう2時間ぐらい遅れての出発なんですけど、これからボーディングです。なのでライアンエアとか本当にヨーロッパ LCC 多いですけど、荷物だけには気をつけてください。せっかく安く取っても入り口でもう50、60、1万円ちょっと以上とか取られたりするので気をつけてください。ではドイツへレッツゴー。konnichiwa. Good morning, welcome back to my video. Welcome to Troublemaker TV. Today I'm here for Düsseldorf in Germany for first day. And now Anissa, we met in Australia like 5 years ago. Yeah, so meeting reunion. And now we will have a breakfast, like traditional, typical German food. And the view from her room, it was really amazing. Well, unfortunately today is like a cloudy, but look at the view that was. And there's a church, and there's also I don't know in English, but there's like a small amusement park area. It's beautiful. So today basically I already get the ticket for the everything, transportation and museum for free to go. So I will, sightseeing around the city and, explore the German. So let's go. おはようございます。ってことで今街に出てきたんですけども、残念ながら雨が降っています。今ここの21世紀現代美術館に行ってきたんですけども、もうすごかったです。で、コペンハーゲンでなくてデュッセルドフカードを使えば安くなるので、もう一つ似たような美術館があるのでそちらに今向かいたいと思います。はい、ということでいろいろ今ミュージアム見てきたんですけど、今はクリスマスマーケットに来ました。ここアニサから住んでいるところからめっちゃ近くて、もう歩いてすぐ5分ぐらいのところにこのクリスマスマーケットがあります。でここ遊園地なんですけども、下とかこう川がこうずっとあって、もうめっちゃ天気が悪いんで雨が降ってもあれなんですけど、こんな感じであります。で、なんかホットワインとかが有名なので、まずそれを飲んでいきたいです。Let's go! Good morning, good morning, welcome back to Troublemaker TV. Today we are second day in Germany. I mean, it's actually third day, but I can say second day. And I am now in, what is the name town here? Toaster. Pronunciations are so difficult. So now we are going to go to the shop to buy some stuff. And yeah, it's like this town. It's pretty. It's quite different. Well, it's totally different from Japan and Spain. The riddle houses are very cute. And today is like a cloudy. It's not like a really rainy day. So look at this. It's so cute. Yeah, it's like a 24th of December, so which is Christmas Day. So, and I guess many people are happy right now. So yeah, let's see it, the Christmas Day. Hello guys, welcome back to Troublemaker TV. I am now in the little park near the Anissa's house, which is about 10 minutes drive. And now she has actually the drone from the DJI, so we will try to see it. Like I have a DJI Mavic Air, but that one is like a more small one, but she has a professional one because they say pro. So yeah, we will see how it looks like from the sky to the German park. It should be fine. And actually it's really cold. Yeah, it's like this. And many people coming to the park and walking and chilling. Well, I mean, it's really cold though here, but whew, it's like you have a gun, like a huge And Anissa's mom has a huge grill. That's oh my gosh, really? Anyway, we'll see it. Let's get started. Good morning everyone. Today We are third day of the Germany. I don't know, Germany, yeah, in Germany. Anyway, so we are now in Bonn, which is about 20 minutes drive from Anisa's house. And whoa, look at this. Yeah, because it's rainy, that's why like water pretty dirty.
Yeah, it's always pretty dirty actually.
Ah, okay. Wow. Beautiful. So that one will continue forever to the German. From where? From Netherlands?
From Netherlands to Germany to Switzerland.
Ah, yeah, for Switzerland. もうオランダからスイスまでずっと川が続いてるそうです。今日はボンに来ています。すごい綺麗な街。じゃあこれからちょっとシティセンターを見ていきたいと思います。Let's go! Alright, so Bonn is also very famous for this town for Beethoven. Actually, he was born in Bonn. And in when was it?
1770.
Yeah, 1770 December, I guess. So that one is the monument for that, and there's also actual house, you can see it. And the opposite side, it's a big church. Church? Cathedral? Church. Yeah, it's beautiful. And since today's the 25th of the Christmas day, so like shops, everything closed, only Starbucks is open actually. But it's very quiet and yeah, it's beautiful town. そうなんです。ベートーベンの生まれた地です、ボンは。なので、ベートーベンの生誕の家もあるので、ぜひ、コロンも近くて大きい都市だと思うんですけども、実際ボンもやっぱり建物が綺麗でドイツ感がすごいあります。なので、大きい都市に行くのもいいんですけど、こんな感じでちょっと違った小さい町に来るのも楽しいかもしれません。ぜひ遊びに来てください。Good morning. 皆さんこんにちは。ようこそトラベルメーカー TV へ。今日は、ドイツ最終日なんですけども、今日はコロン、日本語でケルンかなって呼んでるんですけども、アニサが住んでるところが電車で20分ぐらいのところに結構大きな町があって、大聖堂など有名な場所があるので、今日は半日観光をそこでしていきたいと思います。